Are you tired of stuttering frames, random input lag, and unstable FPS in 2025 games? In this guide, I'll show you the best NVIDIA control panel settings for maximum FPS and smooth gameplay in 2025. Follow step by step, and by the end, your PC will feel like it's running on rocket fuel, without installing anything extra. First, right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see it, make sure your drivers are updated through GeForce Experience or NVIDIA's official website. On the left panel, click Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Select Use the Advanced 3D Image Settings and hit Take Me There. This ensures you have full control. Now go to Manage 3D Settings. This is the most important section. We'll optimize each option for maximum performance in 2025 games. Make sure to follow the steps in the video. If you use a high refresh monitor, under Change Resolution, make sure refresh rate is at max, 144 Hz, 240 Hz or 360 Hz. Output color format, RGB full, not limited. This gives you sharper images and reduces input delay. Outside the control panel, also do these for better FPS. Disable Windows Game Bar in Settings. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Set your power plan to ultimate performance in Windows. And that's it. With these NVIDIA control panel settings in 2025, you'll unlock maximum FPS, lower input lag, and smooth gameplay no matter what game you play. If this helped you, drop a like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more advanced PC performance guides.